Hello, this is Taylor from Cave Consulting, and today I'm going to show you how to add a post, update files, use Form Publisher, add and create blocks, a new job opening. Cave Consulting, transforming the way you work. Hello, this is Taylor from Cave Consulting, and today I'm going to walk you through how to create a new job opening for your website on WordPress. In the editor, you're going to go to the left side panel and find the Jobs tab. And from there, you're going to Add New. The first thing you're going to do is add a job title. And then you will notice these two boxes directly after. If your job description or job application are Google Drive files, then you'll keep these selected as yes, then grab the link for the files and paste them here. However, if they are from a different site such as LinkedIn or Monster.com, you will change this to no, and then insert the link here. Ours are going to be Google Drive files, and so I'm going to first go to my Drive, and you want to make sure that your files are in a single folder that is made public. You can find out if your file is public by going to the folder, right-clicking, going to Share, and as you notice down here, mine says anyone on the internet with this link can view. If it says restricted or something else, you can change that by clicking the link button and then adjusting here. Now I'm going to grab the link for each of these documents and paste them where they need to go by right-clicking, going to Get Link, copying the link, and pasting. Next, you're going to choose an application date, which is the date that you will begin accepting applications. I'm going to use today's date. And finally, before you publish, you need to make sure that a category is selected for the job opening. Once you've published the page, go back to the page that the jobs are displayed on, refresh, and the new job should appear. Be sure to make sure that all of your links work properly.